What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to build AI agents using Gumloop, starting from a simple workflow and then leveling it up into a full decision-making agent. Let's start with a basic example. In Gumloop, you can simply describe what you want in plain language. For example, you can say that you want an automated workflow that takes a messy first draft created through speech to text, proofreads it, connects to Google Docs, and uses Claude as the AI model. Once you submit that request, Gumloop's assistant, called Gummy, starts building the workflow for you. It generates a plan for the flow and automatically adds nodes to the canvas. You can let it keep building, or you can jump in and add or modify nodes yourself. In just a few moments, the workflow is ready. When you paste in text full of grammar mistakes and run the flow, Gumloop creates a clean, proofread version directly inside Google Docs. You can take this further by connecting Google Sheets. Instead of handling one document at a time, the workflow can scan a spreadsheet, grab Google Doc links, and proofread each document one by one using subflows. At that point, you've fully automated an SEO proofreading task. Now, here's the important distinction. What we just built is an AI workflow, not an AI agent. An AI workflow follows strict rules. It does exactly what you tell it to do, step by step with no flexibility. That's often more than enough for many SEO and content tasks. An AI agent, on the other hand, can think more critically. You give it instructions and guardrails, but it can decide how to approach a task on its own when needed. Inside Gumloop, you can switch to the AI builder and start creating an AI agent. Here, you choose the language model, write instructions that define what the agent does, and connect it to the tools it needs. For example, an SEO AI agent might run competitor research and generate a full report with competitor insights, keyword gaps, and improvement suggestions. That report can then be automatically sent to Google Docs, Notion, or Slack without you lifting a finger. And that's really it. Building AI workflows and AI agents in Gumloop is far more approachable than it sounds. Start with simple workflows, then move up to agents when you need smarter, more flexible automation. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.